Hey everyone, in this tutorial you will learn everything you need to know to get started programming in Python. You don't need any previous programming experience as we are going to start from scratch, and also Python is an easy to learn powerful programming language. Let's get started. Python is the most popular programming language out there. According to the Popularity of Programming Language Index, its popularity has increased by 8.7% during the past 5 years. It was initially designed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. The inspiration for the name Python came from BBC's TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus, as Guido was a big fan of this series. Python is a general purpose language, meaning it can be used to create all sorts of applications from web development and automation to data analysis and machine learning. Also, it is used heavily in academic research and it is the standard introductory language for many university computer science programs. You might be wondering why Python is so popular. Python is extremely beginner friendly. There is not a whole of syntax to learn, and it can be read more like plain English. This makes it quicker to build projects and faster to improve on them. Take a look at the following code snippet which demonstrate defining a class in Python versus Java and Python versus C++. This takes few lines of code in Python, whereas Java and C++, the syntax is more complex and a simple class requires more code. Python has a large and active community that contributes to its growth and acts as a helpful resource for other programmers. So whenever you start, there is someone out there to help you. Python has a rich ecosystem. The extensive library offers a wide range of packages and tools. These libraries provide ready to use solutions and you can do many cool things with it. In the coming sections, we will discuss this in more detail. Python is a great choice for career paths. It's used across a variety of fields and industries. So, learning Python opens up a lot of job opportunities. It's officially used by some of the world's most successful companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, Spotify, Intel, and many, many others. Python has several web frameworks that make it easier to create websites from scratch and create server-side applications. Here are the top Python web frameworks: Django, Pyramid, Bottle, Flask, Tornado, Web2Py, Grok, CherryPy, TurboGears. These frameworks are pre-built structures offering developers a solid foundation for constructing server-side components. Django, Pyramid, Flask, and Bottle are the most popular Python web frameworks. However, when it comes to choosing a framework for larger and more complex projects, Django is the best choice. And for simpler or microservices based applications, Flask and Bottle are often selected by Python developers. Also, Python's standard library supports many internet protocols as well. Python is the go-to language for data science and machine learning. Python is incredibly powerful for data analysis. The Pandas library is one of the most preferred tools for data scientists to do data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib and Seaborn provide powerful data visualization capabilities and make visualization super easy. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It's the fundamental package for scientific computing in Python and helps data scientists to solve highly complex scientific calculations. Machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and scikit-learn enable the development of predictive machine learning models. If you find yourself performing boring repetitive tasks, you could work more efficiently by automating it with Python and save your time. Python automation involves scripting to perform repetitive tasks automatically. Also, Python has a Boolean collection of libraries, making it perfect for web scraping that involves parsing a website and extracting relevant information out of it. Python's libraries like Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Request make it easy to extract data from websites. Also, you can head over to the Python official website to see the full list of Python applications. In the next video, I will cover the installation of Python. Finally, if you found this helpful, like the video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe for future videos.